Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you the steps you need to do in order to send money from your Binance account to your stake account. Now all you need to do is to go to stake account and go to the deposit section once you've activated your account here. And here you want to go and copy the deposit address that they provide you and go back to Binance, and in Binance go here into the overview and then click on funding wallet. And in here, just go ahead and click on withdraw. Now you want to click on the third option, that's withdraw fiat here. And then here, click on continue. Of course, I haven't verified my account because I just created this account just to show you. And once you continue, of course, after verifying your account, paste your stake depositing ID and continue to deposit. Of course, after selecting which crypto or which currency you want to deposit in.